Hello, my friend, and welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. Today's lesson is very special because it is made for absolute beginners, for people who cannot speak English, who feel shy, who feel scared, or who think English is too difficult. Don't worry, my friend. Today, we start from the easiest level. Today, we begin with one-word answers. If you can say just one word, you can start learning English today. If you can repeat slowly, you are already on the path to speaking English confidently. So, take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and allow your mind to be calm. Learning English does not have to be stressful. It can be slow, easy, and peaceful. You do not need to know grammar. You do not need long sentences. You only need small steps, daily practice, and patience with yourself. So, let's begin this gentle speaking journey together. I will ask simple questions, and you will answer with one word. I will speak slowly. You repeat slowly. Let's start warming up. Are you ready? Say, yes. Good. How are you feeling right now? Say, good. How is your mind? Say, calm. Do you want to learn English? Say, yes. Is this lesson easy? Say, yes. Do you feel safe? Say, yes. Perfect. You just spoke English. Now let's practice daily words. Listen to the question, answer with one word. What do you want? Water. What do you need? Food. Where are you going? Home. What do you have? Phone. How do you feel? Good. Do you understand? Yes. Is this hard? No. Is this easy? Yes. Do you want to continue? Yes. Beautiful. Now let's repeat the daily words slowly. Water, food, home, phone, good, bad, easy, hard, yes, no. These words are the building blocks of your English. If you know these, you can understand many conversations around you. Now, let's learn emotion words. Repeat after me. Happy, sad, tired, busy, free, relaxed, angry, calm, scared. Okay, very good. Now answer my questions with one word. How do you feel in the morning? Tired. How do you feel on a good day? Happy. How do you feel when work is too much? Busy. How do you feel when you rest? Relaxed. How do you feel when something worries you? Scared. How do you feel during this lesson? Calm. Excellent. Now let's practice action words. Repeat slowly. Go. Come. Eat. Drink. Sit. Stand. Look. See. Walk. Stop. Now listen to the question and answer with one-word action. What do you do when you are thirsty? Drink. What do you do at mealtime? Eat. What do you do when you are tired? Sit. What do you do when you are active? Walk. What do you do when someone speaks? Listen. What do you do when it's time to leave? Go. Great job. Now we gently move to two-word speaking. Only two words. Repeat after me. I'm ready. I'm coming. I'm learning. I'm okay. I'm tired. I'm happy. It's good. It's easy. I understand. I agree. Now answer my questions using two words. How are you? I'm fine. Are you learning? I'm learning. Is English easy? It's easy. Are you ready? I'm ready. Very nice. Now let's do a small, easy beginner story. Listen first. A man wakes up early. He drinks water. He sits outside. He eats breakfast. He walks to work. He feels good. Now I will ask you one-word questions. What does he drink? Water. Where does he sit? Outside. What does he eat? Breakfast. Where does he walk? Work. How does he feel? Good. Perfect. Now let's practice a very simple conversation. Repeat after me. Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm okay. Where are you going? Home. Do you need something? Water. Here you go. Thank you. You're welcome. Bye. This is real English. Simple, natural, and calm. Now I will train your thinking. I will say a situation, and you think of one English word. When you are hungry, food. When you are thirsty, water. When you are tired, rest. When you want to leave, go. When you are happy, happy. When you feel scared, scared. When you feel calm, calm. Beautiful. This builds English thinking automatically. Now repeat these confidence sentences slowly, with feeling. I can learn English. I am improving slowly. I am not afraid. I can speak one word. I can speak two words. I can understand simple English. I am practicing every day. I am getting better. I believe in myself. My English will grow. My confidence will grow. I am becoming stronger every day. Now close your eyes if you can, relax your body, and take a deep breath. Listen to my voice and feel calm. Learning English is easy. Learning English is peaceful. Learning English is possible for you. Repeat slowly. I can learn. I can speak. I can improve. I am confident. I am patient. I am growing every day. My English is getting better and better. You did amazing today. You started with one-word answers, moved to two-word expressions, practiced a simple story, repeated a beginner conversation, and trained your English mind gently. This is how real progress happens, slowly, calmly, one step at a time. Thank you for learning with 24/7 Talk English. Come back tomorrow and you will learn even more. Every day you return, your English becomes stronger. I am proud of you. I'll see you in the next episode.